guys, Emily with Primeaux RV. Happy Wednesday. We are here with another walkthrough Wednesday, and today we're going to feature the 2021 Passport 2704 RK. This is a brand new floor plan that we've gotten in, and we are so excited about it. So starting up front, you're going to have your power tongue jack. You'll have all electric jacks on the outside. Past your storage up here. And when we go around, I'll show you the docking station. You've got a electric awning with LED lights. You have outside speakers. This one's going to come with an outside kitchen and your refrigerator. And this pulls out and you have a 2-burner gas cooktop. So it gives you a good amount of space here, some prep space. You also have a door that goes into a compartment inside the camper that holds your trash can. So that's very convenient. Easy to pull the trash and dump it. So around this way, you're going to have fully walkable roof with a ladder, spare tire, and you're also backup camera prepped. Alright guys, now we're on the off-camp side. This is a nice big storage compartment that you have over here. You have pegboard, and as you can see, it's just a very tall storage. You can put chairs in here, folding table, anything like that. Alright guys, before we head into the inside of the camper, this is what I want to show you. They've now put their docking station on the inside of the pass-through storage. You've got a hot and cold shower, and all your hookups are going to be heated and closed now. Alright, now we are standing on the inside of the Passport 2704 rear kitchen, and as you can see, you just have a ton of countertop space back here. You have your 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop and oven, and of course your microwave. You have a 1-piece stainless steel farm sink, a ton of drawer space and cabinet space. They've even added pop-up 110 outlets with USB charging stations. The trash can compartment that I showed you on the outside, you can actually just open this and your trash can's down here, which is really convenient. And then one of my favorite parts is this pull-out, perfect place for canned goods, spices, anything like that. U-shaped dinette that, as you can see, folds down to make a bed, and you have storage underneath both sides of that as well. TV, fireplace, which is a huge, awesome feature. Electric fireplace, so that will pretty much heat the whole camper. Theater seating across from your TV and fireplace, and then you also have this hutch area over here, which gives you a ton of more drawers. You have 6 extra drawers here, and then you could even set up coffee bar, anything like that right here. Lots of cabinet space. Alright, now we're going to head down the hallway to the bedroom and the bathroom. Alright guys, now we're in the bathroom. I'm 5'7", so as you can see, there is plenty of room to move around in here. You even have a skylight for taller people. Vanity area, lots of countertop space in here. Medicine cabinet. Very roomy bathroom for this size camper. Alright guys, 2 features that they've added this year are the barn doors, and you also get the nice roll down blackout shades. This is going to be your master bedroom. A lot of end table space on this side. You have USB ports and 110 outlets. Second AC, which is a huge feature for a 27-foot camper. Second AC already installed. Lots of overhead storage. End table on this side. And then, of course, you have storage under the bed. And then, Gabby, if you want to walk over there and show them, they have a closet as well. Alright guys, again, this was the Passport 2704 RK. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer it for you.